Alright, so this is the performance of SB19 in All Out Sunday, the best in the whole wide world. Wala nang grupong mas magaling pa dito, wala nang performer na mas magaling. GMA, sana wag niyong i-block. Please lang, oh. I think we're gonna pause a little bit para hindi tayo ma-block. Alright, let's go.
Energy finale ng Wakas at Simula concert last weekend. The Kings of P-Pop are back on the AOS stage with their newest track, Visa. Isang kantang sumasalamin sa saloob.
Baka naman sa ibang network dyan. Narinig nyo? Kings of P-Pop ang tawag sa ibang network. Aham. Makaramdam naman, oh. Pinapalitan nyo yung tawag sa voice, eh. Kings of P-Pop nga. GMA, I love you. Mwah. Ganyan yung tamang tawag. Ganyan yung tamang introduction. Hindi yung binabayas nyo kami.
Obin ni na Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken at Justin tungkol sa mga hirap na pinagdadaanan ng mga Pinoy para makabiyahe internationally. Sa pool ng kanta ang target ng SB19 to continue to make P-Pop rise globally. Ngayong hapon, visa-free ang Ayos Barkada at 18 para makasama ang grupo as...
18 is mentioned. Sa tingin ko nasa kontrata ng SB19 yan, no, na kung i-guess nyo kami, dapat i-mention nyo ang 18. Ganun kami kamahal ng 18 OG. Ay, ng SB19. Ha! Di nyo may nararamdaman yun. Naghahanap ng away, ano.
So they keep paving the way para sa P-Pop. Humanda na para sa Kings of P-Pop, SB19.
What the damn, the introduction. Congratulations, GMA, and thank you so much. We love it and we appreciate it. Sino ba yun? Parang si Raver yun, di ba? Not bad, bro. Damn, and the stage is freaking awesome. I gotta give props to GMA because their stage are not always nice. When you compare to the one network that I hate, na bias. Mas, iba yung stage kasi pag nandun, eh. But this stage is freaking awesome, just like Portal from the past. Alright.
Yeah. Ready? Let it go. Sabi ng marami, swerte raw mga kaabot ka ng tayo. Sabi na ilayo ng nilakad at sila na may panay. Munti umbay, panis sa husay, libreng sagay, wag lang bubuma. Kung samurai, manapapusay, taligtad naman ang taliming may aray.
Damn. Crazy vocals from the main dance, ano ba si Ken? Nakalimutan. Crazy vocals, right? Tapos meron pa siyang pa-pause doon. That was intentional na i-pause kasi baka akala ng iba, oy, grabe yung poses, sobrang baba, sobrang galing. Lip sync yan. So kailangan na lang i-pause ng saglit para sabihin sa mga tanga, na mga basher na hindi to lip sync, boy. Ganun kagaling. Alam mo, Sir Dana Mejia with the M-Pop Band. Shoutouts to the members of the channel, man. You're awesome. Diba? Hindi lip sync yan, boy.
Kung samurai, manapapusay, taligtad naman ang taliming may aray.
Teka lang. Di naman kailangan pa itong ipagyabang. Hahayaan ko na lang ang mga madlang. People lang mawit naman doon aking television. Ano raw? Break it down. Tunay ka main when you don't have to make it sound. That was up. True, what's real, yeah, at the top.
Tanda ko pa nung araw humiling.
Man, I don't wanna pause this shit, but this is fire. Pero baka ma-block ako bigla. So we have to do it, alright? Kalma. Tanda ko pa nung araw humiling. Alright, ito yung kasunod.
Sa bulala ko ay nag-bang, bang, bang. Bulang araw ako ay titingalain kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Why bet you lang mo rin the day? Wala. Kahit na ano bang gawin.
I-pause mo na, baka ma-block ang video. Let's go, man. God damn. Let's go. At saka yung background maganda. Damn. Main bass? Si Ken? Ano ba?
Sana man kailangan lang ng visa. Kaya tutalong na rin yung visa.
Pinoy, Pinoy,
Ang hirap talaga lumipad kahit na may patunay na kaya.
Still has to show the dance moves, man. Kahit skip niya pa yung lyrics na yon, he has to show the dance moves right here. damn, and I have to pause it.
mo na kailangan pa ng visa. Lapag mo na kita, bibig ko ng mga pera.
When we're talking about performing and hitting the notes at the same time, I think, shout out to Maria Rowena Eustachio. Welcome to Mastermind with the M3 Bears. Thank you again for being a member, Master Maria Rowena. Nice. Welcome. And going back to what I'm saying, when we're talking about performing to the greatest level and hitting the notes with laser point precision, Stel is the best in the, di ko pa sabing buong mundo, but he is on top of the world. Upgraded to Grandmaster, damn! Shouts to Master Maria Rowena, a Grandmaster, guys! Isa kang Grandmaster, Master Maria Rowena. Welcome! God damn! Welcome for being a Grandmaster. God damn, Master Maria Rowena is making moves. Let's go! Ken Stel is on top of that list, man. And I can even say the best that I know. I can say the best, man, in the whole wide world. I can definitely say na siya yung pinaka on point. Because I haven't seen anybody na kayang sumayaw ng ganyan kapaliw, dance crazily, and sing perfectly, hitting the perfect notes and everything. Sa tingin ko si Stel yung pinakamagaling sa lahat, sa buong mundo. That's my opinion. Because he's crazy.
Harap na dito mga friend. Magaling, nabusog lahat sa aking sinaing. Nak ng pati, nagreklamo pang tayong kanin. Sorry, pasensya ka na. Love kong napagod ka sa pagbiyak. Hanggang lusin kita.
Props and shoutouts to Justin De Dios. I am so happy, I'm so glad that he is now very confident pagdating sa pagkakanta niya, sa pag-sing. Naghahalo na yung English niya sa yung galaw niya, yung aura niya, I can definitely feel that he's 1,000% confident sa kanyang ginagawa ngayon. Sobrang taas at sobrang layo na namarating ni Justin. When it comes to performing, napakalayo ng aura niya sa kung saan sila nagsimula. Makikita mo yung aura niya talagang, man, he's in the zone. That's what I'm saying. Very confident, man.
Nak ng pati, nagreklamo pang tayong kanin. Sorry, pasensya ka na. Love kong napagod ka sa pagbiyak. Hanggang lusin kita. Pinagandad ko ng araw nila. Sa pulat ko yung bang. Bararay ko, dito ay kasi ako ay magaling. Why, wala pa rin natin. Wala. Kahit na
I just want to say that the camera works is not it. Hindi na emphasize yung mga dapat emphasize, medyo crazy. They need to study this, GMA. I love you. Please study your movements of the camera. Hindi ito yun, yung angles, hindi ito yun.
ano ba ang gawin? Talaga, ano ba? Baka naman kailangan lang ng visa. Kaya kung follow na rin yung visa. Pinoy, PG. Pinoy, yeah. Pinoy, PG. Pinoy, P.
O, di kalma ng lahat, let's go. Dito, masaya lang, kahit mahilahan, na para bang pagatila, may sababa sa taas. David, Basco, M. Jacinto, O. Rodrigo, Bruno, Nico, Joseph, ay baka naman, Pablo!
Sabi ni Master Yakon, can we watch How I Made Time by Xerxes Backer? Of course, Master Yakon, we can do this after this. Let's go.
Pinoy,
Kita mo yung ano, yung camera works, man. Hindi na ano, hindi it's not it, man. Hindi nakikita yung dapat ipakita.
Why peg, wala pa rin dating.
Siguro it's just too much movement, I think. Sa tingin ko lang.
Kahit na ano pa ang gawin. Why peg, wala pa rin dating. Kahit na ano pa ang gawin. Noy, Pinoy, 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 yeah!
Yeah, what the heck? That was that. Wow, so that was the performance of SB19, and all of a sudden this was awesome. As usual, man, the best, freaking awesome performance, and congratulations for a wonderful sold out, 100,000 sold out. Isipin mo 100,000 na tao, pero sold out ang wakas at simula concert, at marami pa nag-aabang sa likod. Malalaman mong yung concert ng SB19 ay successful kung may mga umiiyak na hindi nabigyan ng complimentary tickets. Wala? Bahala na kayo. Kaya subscribe para malaman niyo yung mga chismis. Alright? Alright, so that was amazing, man.